Hey there, DRM1712 fam. Today, we're uncovering some fun and quirky facts about Hamilton, Ontario. Whether you're local or planning a visit, these tidbits will make you see the city in a whole new light. Let's dive in. Did you know that Hamilton is often called the Waterfall Capital of the world? That's right. This city is home to more than 100 waterfalls scattered across the beautiful Niagara Escarpment. One of the most famous is Webster's Falls, which offers a stunning view and a perfect picnic spot. Who needs Niagara when you've got a whole city of cascades? Hamilton has a long history as a major steel producer, which earned it the nickname Steel City. But what's surprising is that it's also a hub for arts and culture. With over 125 public art installations, Hamilton is bursting with creativity. From murals to sculptures, the city is a living art gallery. Coffee lovers, rejoice! Hamilton is the birthplace of the iconic Canadian coffee chain, Tim Hortons. The first ever Tim Hortons opened in 1964 on Ottawa Street North. So next time you grab your double-double, give a little nod to Hamilton for starting it all. Speaking of arts, did you know that Hamilton hosts one of Canada's largest free music festivals? It's called the Supercrawl, and it takes over James Street North every September. The festival features live music, art installations, and food trucks. It's a massive party that attracts over 200,000 visitors each year. Sports fans, this one's for you. Hamilton is home to the Hamilton Tiger Cats, one of the oldest football teams in Canada. The team has a rich history and a fiercely loyal fan base. Their games at Tim Hortons Field are always packed with excitement. Oski wee wee, anyone? Here's a fun one for movie buffs. Hamilton has been a backdrop for many Hollywood films and TV shows. Its unique blend of historic and modern architecture makes it a favorite for filmmakers. So, if the city looks familiar, you might have seen it on the big screen. And there you have it, folks. From waterfalls to football, Hamilton is full of surprises and fun facts. Whether you're a fan of nature, culture, or sports, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for tuning into Menzel Bezirgen on. If you enjoyed these fun facts, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting videos. Let us know in the comments what other cities you'd like us to explore. Until next time, keep discovering.